Here is another entertaining video of Peachy Bun being cute. The first clip is that of Peachy Bun showing off one of her valuable assets to her chat. Sure, they enjoyed the view. Of course, Peachy knows what she is doing here in this first clip. I spliced this first clip with a second clip of Peachy again, this time with her quote roommate Spicy Cow reacting to Peachy's first clip. I thought it was an accurate reaction. Hope you all enjoy the clip. Deckard T.